To Study Prizepicks. Start by understanding what it is. A daily fantasy sports platform that allows users to pick over or under on various player and game statistics. The key to success lies in conducting thorough research and making informed decisions. First, familiarize yourself with the different types of picks offered, including fantasy points, passing yards, and rebounds. Understand the scoring system and how payouts are calculated. Next, research the players and teams involved, looking at their past performance, current trends, and any injuries or suspensions that may impact their output. Utilize statistics and data from reputable sources to inform your decisions. Another important aspect is staying up to date with the latest news and developments, as this can significantly impact player performance. Follow sports news outlets and official team sources to get the latest information. When making your picks, consider the odds and payouts, as well as the risk and potential reward. It is essential to have a clear understanding of your bankroll and to set limits for yourself to avoid overextending. To maximize your chances of success, focus on a specific sport or league, and develop a deep understanding of the teams, players, and trends. This will allow you to make more informed decisions and increase your chances of winning. Practicing responsible bankroll management is crucial, as it will help you to maintain a healthy and sustainable approach to playing on Prizepicks. Set a budget and stick to it, and never chase losses or bet more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and staying disciplined, you can develop a solid strategy for studying Prizepicks and increase your chances of success. Always prioritize responsible gaming and never bet more than you can afford to lose.